friends, good morning and welcome to today's vlog. It is officially December. So today is already December 1. 24 more days. So Christmas, lamo.
Lamo?
Yeah.
Ito kita misa namin.
Ano de? Oh, masa namin na lang. Una abli na ron. Oh, abli na. 24 days until Christmas. Grabe. But it's not as exciting if nasa Pilipinas ka kasi dito wala namang Christmas dito. Wait lang guys, magsisit-milk muna ako. So I'm back. Ayan, magsit-milk muna tayo kasi abunay. Dangerous. Dangerous. So it is already 10:30 in the morning and we are heading out to get some donuts because I have something to celebrate. Diba sweet?
Good lang din mo.
No, good. Diba? Alam mo yun eh. You know that. So, I don't know what is the temperature today, but it feels not that very cold, no? It's not like it's this morning. It's just like between maybe like 18 degrees. No, I don't know. Not 18 degrees, mga lang, 10 degrees something ganyan lang. Unlike the other days, yung last 2 days, grabe, it's so cold. Pero hindi pa rin talaga yung nagsusnow something cold. This, lang naman, 0 degrees lang naman sa morning. Yun lang naman, iyon. So, ayun guys. So, ano ba? So, lagi na lang so. So, this is my hair from yesterday. Not, but I curled it again kasi nag-flat na. But I did not took a shower. I just, put some powder. Yeah. Because he took a shower and I didn't. Okay lang yun. It's fine kasi it's so cold naman. Nobody knows.
Yeah, I know. It's frozen.
Ayun. So, I just, I have hala, may gulay dyan. Yeah. Let's stop there. Yeah. Look, broccoli! Hanto daw ta.
Namatay na palit ng broccoli ay.
Nabuang nga ato. Uy na aday dira. Mamaligya. Basin barato. Oh my God. May nagtitinda doon na yung local na farmer lang ba? No? Something ba? Kasi medyo yung parang mga ganyan guys. Oh, diba? May mga tanim-tanim silang sa kanilang yeah, may mga tanim-tanim sila sa mga bahay-bahay, tabi lang ng bahay nila. So, pag ganun, medyo mura yun. Compared if you're going to buy it from the grocery. So, ayan. Got so excited kasi we love broccoli. Me, I love broccoli. I don't know with Rookie. You love broccoli. Okay. So, this is already a 3-minute ranting video clip. So, I'm gonna see you later. Pag kunin. Bilhin na natin yung donut. Oh, kailan ba ako the last time na kumain ng donut? Medyo matagal-tagal na din yun. And, yeah, if you have something to celebrate, you need to eat a donut. Ayan, so we are now inside Valor Home Center and I'm looking for Rookie. No, wala na naman si Rookie because he's looking for a mask. Mask. Oh, dito yung mga mask. Nasaan na si Rookie? Nandito na ako sa mask section. Wala siya dito. And yeah, dito muna kami. Nara, oh. Why you're not? I'm here first. Naghanap siya tapos hindi siya. Ako yung nauna dito sa mask. Ayan. So, I sound so ngungo because I have a sip-on. Because it's so cold, you know. Beijing. Beijing lagi itong yung gisulti. Awa? Ay. Pero I don't know. Di ba kanina parang sabi niya Beijing. Hello! So we're out now and punta muna kami sa doon sa supermarket because we're going to buy donuts sa Mr. Donut. This is Valor compound. Diyan. Can see the Mr. Donut. There's Mr. Donut, Valor Supermarket. And katabi niya si Sugakiya. Cannot wait. Yan. Ang laki ng ano nila dito. Parang compound ng Valor. There's me. I don't know if you can see me from the mirror. Yan yung get up natin. Yeah, bro. What's up, bro? They're moving. It's not gonna open. Uy, taka lang. Uy! Yuhala, Merry Christmas na, oh. Diba? Oh, yay! We're going inside. Laton, tikaw? Okay. What's... Ulo, walnut. Wow, Mr. Donut! Yay! Ooh, I'm kinda excited. Ala, meron silang Christmas something. I don't know what to get. Oh my god. Oh my god. Donut pa more. I'm gonna get my tray. Yay! So guys, got my donut. And also got a coffee. So, I'm gonna get inside the car muna. So, I'm just gonna put you there. My donut, okay? Don't move. Grabe. Gabi yung sipon ko guys. Tulo na ng tulo. And my throat is so scratchy already. I was joking with Rookie kanina nga na I'm having a husky voice. Then kakanta na lang ako ng yung song ni Brian Adams. Tapos sabi niya, bakit daw? Yun yung kinanta ko. So, ayan. So, I'm just going to quickly drink my coffee. What coffee is this? W coffee. This is like 100 yen. Editing. From Editing. I haven't tried this one from Editing. So, my god. My throat is starting to I feel like this. So, nandun siya sa I'm gonna show you. You cannot see it from here, guys. Doon siya, dyan, sa Valor na, gas station. Kasi, he is going to buy kerosene for our kerosene heater. Kasi, dito sa Japan, iba. Hindi centralized yung, yung mga apartments nila. Pati din yung bahay. And, although naman merong aircon tapos AC tapos heater na installed, but it's not enough, especially pag malamig na so nandiyan siya. And although it's not very healthy yung kerosene, but marami na silang mga innovations dito sa Japan, yung mga kerosene fan heater nila na less odor or less to no odor na. So, yun na lang yung bibili nyo. Medyo mahal, but it's more safer than the typical na kerosene heater. So, that's why he's there to buy kerosene. Guess what? We're going to... Not there, obviously. Daiso! Wala ko.
Mata, Daiso ka.
Ikitayo? How do you say ikitay, but it's not you that is going to be ikitay in Japanese? Because you cannot say, I just learned that you cannot say Ruki wa ikitay. No, that's not the right grammar to say it. Ruki wa Daiso ni ikitay gateru yo. Ikita gateru. Yun pala dapat sabihin.
Gater.
Ayan, gater.
Anong gater?
Yeah, basta if you want to
Rupiga.
Daiso ni. If ako yung magsasabi niyan ha, if not your kung hindi ako, not personally, pag sinabi ko kay Sashi, for example, dahil Sashi, si Papa gusto mo adto goan, I'm not going to say it. Dahil Sashi, Papa wa Daiso ni ikitay, no, that's not the right way to say it.
Pero makasabot na sila.
Yeah, but it would be like they will see it from their face, this look of huh? Yan na, the Daiso. Kita nyo yan? Oh, di ba? The Daiso. Hi guys, we are home and I just wanted to quickly go over or show to you what we got from Daiso because we went to Daiso. So ayan. Medyo matagal. Oh my god guys, oh my god, grabe. Ang daming magagandang makeup sa Daiso, and then hindi pa rin ako nakapagbili ng mga makeup sa Daiso. Yung lip and cheek cream, yun ang ganda. Tapos yung mga lip tapos meron din basta brushes. Oh my god. Magka-Christmas na, so I am planning to maybe do a giveaway, Christmas giveaway, but hindi ko alam kung ano yung ibibigay ko, but yeah, so hopefully ma-start ko na kasi ilang days na lang magka-Christmas na. Then yeah, I've been really planning to do a giveaway, a Christmas giveaway, pero hindi naman ganyan kalaki guys ha, kasi hindi pa tayo masyadong maraming pera. Ayan, so hopefully magawa ko na yan. So yeah, I'm just going to quickly show you what we got pala from Daiso. Ito yung bag natin, yung pinakamalaking bag. Ayan, so nasira na. First is I got a little ayan, nasira na yung Christmas tree. Little Christmas tree. Kasi gusto na sana naming bumili nung yung malaking yung maliit lang na real tree, but yeah, ito na lang. This is 300 yen by the way. Ayan, tapos may mga na siya ornaments, and then we also got this electric pump para sa kerosene gas. Ayan, medyo mahal, 800 yen, but it's cheaper compared doon sa Valor Home Center kasi it's 1,000 yen plus yung nandoon. And this one is automatic na nagsa-stop. Ayan, kasi ang hirap pag walang pump na electric or yung automatic na Tapos I also got me like ito lunch microwavable na containers na medyo malaki. Ayan, 950 ml kasi para magkasya yung aking baon para isang lagyan na lang. And then I also anong tawag nito? Ano pa ba? Got another of this organizing container. 250 yen lang naman. Medyo maliit, but paglalagyan ko ng mga kung ano-ano. And then what else? I also got this pala, yung sa aking coffee, kasi yung nabili kong coffee is hindi instant coffee. So, kailangan ko ng ganito kasi it needs to be strained. And then with that, I also got, nasa ba yun? Yung coffee. Ayan. Strainer. Ito. Filter pala. Coffee filter. So, ayan. Sila partner. And then, what else do we got here? And, ito pala. String lights para sa ating Christmas tree. Ayan, I'm excited to try this. Ito medyo mahal, 300 yen. Hindi siya 100 yen, guys. And ito pa. I also got a fake plant para sa aking video. Kasi, yeah, I wanted to do a video. So, para may mga green sa background naman natin. So, I got this fake plant. So, ko sanang bumili ng flower, pero hindi ko masyadong feel yun. And then, eto, I don't know, ano itong kinuha niya? Liquid shoe polish pala. Brown. Ayan, dalawang ganito. 100 yen lang din yan. And then, isang extension wire or cord. Ayan na may isa, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 na socket. And then, I also got this one, yung ano lang, yung ganito, oh. Kasi isa lang yung triple power strip. Kasi isa lang yung ano ko. Basta, I need that. Yun na yun. And then, ano pa ba? Batteries para sa aking ano ba? Ito, sa aking Christmas light. Kasi ito, wala, diba? Oh. Ito, AA batteries. Dalawang AA batteries. And then, I also got this one. Ding, ding, Santa. Ayan. Para maging a little Christmassy naman tayo. It is 300 yen. Tapos, nag-iilaw din siya, guys. Ayan yung ilaw niya. Anong kulay ba to? Lights up. Lights up. Ano ba? Basta ito yung kulay ni Santa. Tapos, may LED na. Ano, number 1 pala to. Meron pang number 2 na Santa. Shiranay. Ayan. Pair sila ng ano, ng Christmas tree, diba? Magkatabi si Santa tsaka yung ano, Christmas tree. And then, ano pa ba? Oh, I know this is so risky of me to get these items from Daiso, but matry nga natin. Malay natin may interested. So, I got this, ano, placenta na plus essence ba to? Ethanol free. Yeah. Essence. Yeah, this one is, I don't know where made from. Di naman sinabi. Ano yan? Basta eto, placenta na parang mga essence drop. And then I also got this, ano ba to? Medicated whitening essence. I'm not sure about this. And then, last but not the least, etong ano, whitening cream para sa mga, yan, oh, Subakasu Shimi Takachimi. I don't know if this will be effective, but this is only 100 yen, guys. Ayan, matry nga natin because there are other people also who are interested. A lot of people have been asking me kung na-try ko na ba tong mga ganito from Daiso. Ayan, pretty excited. So, I'm gonna be trying to use this and hopefully it will not irritate my skin, di ba? So, yan yung mga napamili natin sa Daiso. So, it's lunchtime. And then, I'm excited kasi ito yung specialty ni Rookie, humba. Di ba? Nalala nyo from my videos before na nagluto din si Rookie ng humba. Ayan na. Di ba, guys? Oh. Close up. Wow. Itadakimasu. Hi, guys. So, hello. Ano ba sasabihin ko? So, umalis kami again. It's because I needed ice cream in my life. So, bumili ako ng ano. Yeah.
What?
Gusto ko sana bumili ng ice cream kanina, but yeah, because it's winter, you need to eat ice cream.
Soka. When it's winter, you need
yeah, nasa tatlong Haagen-Dazs lang na ano, ice cream, yung choco, at saka para mamaya. O, diba?
Wala sorbitero.
No, they don't have that, bro. So, I'm excited to eat my ice cream in this very cold weather. So, we're heading home and yeah, it's 4 o'clock. It's almost 5 na. 4:30 na. The afternoon. And magluluto pa ako ng aking chicken. So, I'm gonna see you later, okay? Alright guys, I just finished filming a video. There's me and the computer. Oh, not me anymore. So, yeah. That's the behind the scene and the jacket at the background hanging. So, I don't know if I will be vlogging still, but it's still pretty early. It's still 7 o'clock in the morning. But I'm planning to do in an eating video.
Yes.
I'm gonna eat my donut now because Rookie wanted to eat the donut kanina pa. So, so kakainin natin. So that will be the next video that I will be doing. And yeah, and I think I'm gonna say goodnight
We
now.
should make a video recoloring.
So I'm gonna do a video right now.
Huh?
No, that's how ikaw ang mag-explain. He make changes on his Timberland. He's crazy.
Yeah,
But he doesn't want me to show it on camera, so I'll just narrate it to you what he's doing. So earlier we went to Daiso, and then he was so happy with it. Oh, I bought this. Then
What did I watch? This one?
he bought this daw. Tapos ano ba, wala naman siyang yung ano pang school shoes, 'di ba? Kasi sa isip-isip ko pang school shoes 'yun. Tapos yun pala, yun yung ginagawa niya ngayon, pero hindi pwedeng ipakita sa video kasi he's a very private person, so we cannot show it on video. So I'll just narrate it to you guys. Use your imagination, okay? Be imaginative. So you have a anong tawag niyan? Kiwi. Basta kiwi lang yung alam ko dyan, guys, na name. But it's not kiwi. Basta kiwi. Bumili siya ng kiwi sa Daiso. Tapos yun na yun.
It's
Ano?
not kiwi. It's not kiwi. It's
Nail polish.
liquid shoe polish.
Shoe polish.
Color brown.
Shoe polisher. Parang ano lang din, 'di ba, yung
But
sa
may
ano, yung Colgate na close up, 'di ba? So sa akin kiwi 'yan. Kiwi
The
na
main reason is this one. Yeah.
narinig nyo, guys. The main reason is that one. So
This one.
but you use your imagination, ha? Yung ano yung ibig sabihin niyan, so sa narinig nyo kasi sabi niya yun, no. So imaginein nyo na lang. So yun yung ginagawa niya ngayon. Yun nga, I need to say good night now para matapos ko na yung aking gagawin kasi magpiprepare pa din ako sa akin pala baon bukas kasi tomorrow will be Monday. So I need to prepare that one. But before doing that, I will be making a video pa. So yeah, it's still pretty early. It's still 7. So I'm gonna say good night now, and I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I will see you on my next video. Good night.